video. Welcome back to the channel, man. And today is going to be like a day in the life vlog with your boy today. So we about to go ahead, wash the car. I got a few errands to run, which I'm going to bring you guys along. And then after that, we just going to vibe out. So let's get into pulling this car out the garage and getting it all cleaned up. Of course I have low fuel, man. I could have swore that I put gas in here. Let me go in here and check to see do I got any more E85 in my VP jugs. Empty, 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 empty. Man, no love on my E85. But we're committed now. I'm still gonna go ahead, pull the car out the garage, go ahead and clean it, and then hopefully I'll make it to the gas station.
I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, that shit is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm the nigga. Look in the mirror like, damn it, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, nigga, go get it. I gotta get to the scene, oh. I gotta get to the bag now. I can't be chasing on these hoes. They getting they feeling and dragged down. That's why these niggas just crash out. Stuck in the selling this man down. Like it ain't going in the past now. Fucking it in, I'ma stand out. I done seen these niggas crash out. They some baby boys, I'm the man now. They was questioning, make them fans now. I'm the best in my league and that's hands down. Understand now, got plans now, got big dreams. Nah, fuck that, got big schemes since 16s, hot 16s. I started broke, then I fixed things. Might been king, I been him. My bitch bad, my whip clean. I been hot, that's benzene. You been hot, that's cold stream. That's cold things, that's cold things. I'm motivated like Kobe. These motherfuckers don't know me. It's my time, check I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, that shit is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm the nigga. Look in the mirror like, damn it, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, nigga, go get it. I gotta get to the scene, oh. I gotta get to the bag now. I can't be chasing on these hoes. They getting they feeling and dragged down. That's why these niggas just crash out. Stuck in the selling this man down. Life getting gone in a flash now. Fucking it in, I'ma stand out.
Let's see if she'll be able to make it to the gas station down the street, man. I mean, I only got 2 miles. That's the closest gas station. And I don't even care if they have E85 or not. I just want to get something in here. And then after that, I'll go get some E85 for this car. But right now, I'm going to just put it in. I'm going to go up to like 70. And then just keep it in 6th gear with no foot on the gas. If I don't get there, I mean, I'm SOL, right? Oh, man, I would get this truck in front of me, man. Like, come on, man. We got the orange light on, man. Come on. I'm glad there's no other cars in front of me. Don't care who's behind me, but... Oh, I think we're gonna make it. I think we're gonna make it. Come on, come on. Okay, yes. Yes. Okay. We done made it here, man. I need it. Let's see how much gas is. Okay, they want, damn, they want 409 for 91 today. Yeah, we definitely just gonna put like $5 in here. So, okay, maybe $10.99. We're about to go get some pulled pork, man. If you think I came all the way out here washing the car, stressing out that I almost made it to go get some gas, that I wasn't gonna get me nothing to eat, like, I feel like today is gonna be barbecue Sunday. That's what I'm going for. I'm about to stop by the store, get some pulled pork, and eat good. Let me go to one more stop. Now this spot, my Speedway always have my E85. Let's see how much it is today. Usually they pumps be going out, but look like it's not today. Yeah, see, that's a little bit more better. Let's see, yeah, E85 here is $269. Way better than that 409 I put up in here.
Welcome to Matador's Must See America.
But look at her, man. She look clean. Look at the reflection. Even the sun not even hitting on her yet, and she just looking clean. Wheels is blacked out, shiny. Usually I put shine on the wheels, on the tires, but I'm not gonna put shine on her today. I'm gonna just keep her looking like this because the body is bodying. Alright, y'all, so finally made it back to the house. The car looking nice and clean, man. So I guess that's a W, man. I can't complain. I got the car filled up, the car looking clean, and I got some barbecue for the day, man. I feel like that's a win for Sunday, man, just to start the week off, man. If you guys like this video, y'all know what to do. Hit that like button and subscribe. And I'm not done yet because I got to clean wifey's vehicle back there. But that's going to wrap this video up. If you like this video, y'all know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.